How to remove, add, and change video background in CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will see how we can remove, add, and change video background on CapCut. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. First of all, launch the CapCut application in your mobile device. Here, tap on New Project. Now, you have to choose a background image for your video. Tap on the photos and select your background image. Now go to your video section and you have to add a video that you want to change the background from. Then tap on add. Once you have added your picture with your videos, tap on the video and you have to tap on overlay from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. For that, swipe the menu bar to your left and there you will find overlay option. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you have to drag your video at the beginning in order to sync it with the background image. Now, according to your preference, you can adjust the duration of your video and your background image. So once done, with the help of your fingertip, you can resize your video or your image. Tap on the video and then you can resize your video and place it wherever you like. So in order to remove the background, what you have to do is again swipe the menu bar to your left. From there, tap on Remove Background and then tap on Auto Removal. There you can see the background has been removed. Tap on tick mark and you can tap on the video and you can place this video, resize the video according to your preference and place it wherever you like. And once done, you can simply export this video, and that's how you can add, remove, or change the background of a video in CapCut. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.